step is repeated for the second anchor. The fiber tape loop is trimmed at the splice to separate the tails. The surgeon retrieves one fiber tape tail from each of the anchors and preloads the fiber tape tails into another swivel lock anchor. The surgeon then prepares the bone socket and inserts the biocomposite swivel lock anchor. Finally, if there is a loose end of rotator cuff, it can be secured with a fiber link and the two remaining fiber tape tails with a fourth and final swivel lock anchor. This completes the SpeedBridge repair